about hazardous waste. Introduction to hazardous waste. Hazardous waste refers to any waste material that suppose a substance threat to human health and environment. It includes various types of waste such as chemical solvents, pesticides, heavy metals, radioactive materials, and biomedical waste. Improper disposal of or mismanagement of hazardous waste can lead to severe environment pollution and health risks. Now we will talk about classification of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste classified into different categories based on the characteristics such as ignitability, corrosivity, reactivity, and toxicity. Ignitable waste includes flammable substances like gasoline and solvents. Corrosive waste refers to materials that can corrode or dissolve other substances such as acid or strong alkaline solutions. Example of hazardous waste. Some common examples of hazardous waste includes lead acid batteries, mercury containing devices and certain electronic waste. Industrial waste generated from manufacturing process such as chemical pills or waste from metal plating operation can also be an hazardous. Medical waste such as sharps, paramedical waste or contaminated materials in any other significant characters of categories of hazardous waste. Source of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste can be generated from residential, commercial, industrial, and healthcare activities. Common sources include manufacturing facilities, chemical laboratories, hospitals, research institutes, and households. Ineffective waste management practices, improper disposal, and accidental spills contribute to generation of hazardous waste. Health and environment impact. Exposure to hazardous waste can lead to various health problems include respiratory issues, organ damage, cancer, and neurological disorders. The release of hazardous substance into the environment can contaminate soil, water, air, and affect ecosystem and wildlife. Hazardous waste can persist in an environment for a long time, causing long-term damage to both human health and the environment. Regulation and legal framework. Government and international organizations have established regulation and legal framework to manage hazardous waste. Examples include the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act in United States and Basel Convention globally. These regulations aim to ensure proper holding, transportation, treatment, and disposal of hazardous waste. The hazardous waste management area outline perform preferred order of action in minimizing the generation and the impact of hazardous waste. This includes the source reduction, recycling, treatment, and disposal as a least resort. Source reduction focus to reducing the amount of hazardous waste in generated through process modification and material substance and improve efficiency. Hazardous waste treatment technology. Hazardous waste treatment technology include physical, chemical, and biological process. Physical treatment method involved in technique like filtration, evaporation, or incineration. Chemical treatment methods are aimed to neutralize or stabilize hazardous material through chemical reactions. Best practice for hazardous waste management. Implementing proper hazardous waste management practice is crucial to minimize risk and protect human health and environment. It includes proper labeling, storage, and segregation of hazardous waste as well as ensuring proper training and awareness among personnel. Regular inspection, monitoring, and auditing of waste management practices are also essential for identifying and addressing any potential issues. Conclusion: the hazardous waste pose significant risks to human health and environment if not managed properly. Effective hazardous waste management involves proper classification, treatment, and disposal of waste material. By following regulation, adopting best practices, and promoting awareness, we can mitigate and negative impact of hazardous waste are created as a safer or healthier environment.